Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving with Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today we're going to dive into one of the most important events in Bitcoin's lifespan, the Bitcoin halving. If you've ever wondered what that is, why it's important, or how it could affect Bitcoin's price in the future, this video is for you. So let's get into it. What is the Bitcoin halving? The Bitcoin network operates through mining, where computers solve complex problems to add blocks to the blockchain, and as a reward for this work, miners earn Bitcoin. But here's the key. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, so to ensure scarcity, the amount that Bitcoin miners earn is cut in half every 4 years. This event is called the Bitcoin halving, and it's designed to keep Bitcoin deflationary and valuable over time. It's one of the most unique features of Bitcoin, ensuring that its supply becomes increasingly scarce. How does the halving work? The halving occurs every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years. So let's break down how that's worked so far. So in 2009, when Bitcoin was created, miners would earn 50 Bitcoin for every block that they mined. In 2012, this number was reduced to 25. Then in 2016 down to 12.5. In 2020, it was reduced to 6.25 Bitcoin per block, and now in 2024, that number is all the way down to 3.125 Bitcoin. The halving will keep occurring until the year 2140, where the last Bitcoin will be mined. Why does the halving matter? The halving's a big deal for three main reasons. Scarcity drives value, so with fewer Bitcoin being created, the available supply decreases while demand often increases. This scarcity is a core reason why Bitcoin's value continues to grow. The impact on price. So historically, halving events have been followed by significant price increases. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin rose from $12 all the way to over $1,000. After the 2016 halving, it climbed from $650 to nearly $20,000. And after the 2020 halving, Bitcoin went from around $9,000 to an all-time high of $69,000. Reason number 3 is to incentivize miners. Despite the decreasing rewards, the halving helps maintains the network's security. Miners remain incentivized because reduced supply often leads to higher prices, balancing the equation. So, a lot of people ask, is it too late to start saving in Bitcoin? And the short answer is no. Bitcoin is still in the very early stages of adoption. Less than 1% of the global population owns any Bitcoin at all, which means there's still a massive opportunity for growth. The halving events make Bitcoin scarcer over time, which is why the best time to start saving is always right now. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started. Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million Satoshis. You can start small, save consistently, and build over time. How to start saving. If you're ready to get started, here's a few steps. Use the Fold app to earn Bitcoin cash back on everyday purchases. Sign up with my referral link in the description. Get 20,000 sats for free when you make your first purchase with the Fold debit card. Buy Bitcoin easily with Strike, another beginner-friendly app. Check out my Strike link in the below for some reduced fees. Protect your Bitcoin with a Ledger hardware wallet to keep your private keys secure. Use my Ledger affiliate link in the description to purchase yours and support the channel. So to summarize, the Bitcoin halving is one of the most important events in Bitcoin's life cycle. It's a built-in mechanism that ensures Bitcoin's scarcity, security, and long-term value. If you've been on the fence about getting into Bitcoin, remember it's not too late. The best time to start saving is today. And I feel like one of the best indicators to know that we're not too late, just try asking a few people you know. Just ask like a few of your closest friends or family members if they own any Bitcoin or understand what Bitcoin is. The chances are most of them will say no, and I feel like that's a great indicator to know we're still so early in terms of widespread adoption of this asset class. As always, keep stacking sats and stay humble. Together, let's work, save, and Bitcoin. See you in the next video.